Top-rated Hatrigo steamer basket for pressure cooker accessories 3 QT6 QT8 QT avail compatible with Instant Pot accessories Ninja Foodi, strainer insert with silicone handle, mini 3-quart. Rust-free with sturdy handle. Did you know that the other brand claims to use quality stainless steel, but their Instapot basket's rusted? Putting your food in a rusted basket can be harmful to you and your kid's body. Their handle is defective and pops out loose while carrying food. Imagine all that hot food spilling all over you and possibly getting burnt. Totally unsafe. At Hatrigo, we only use the highest quality material and ensure you and your kids' health and safety is our top priority. Custom designed steamer basket to fit inside the Instapot, trusted by customers as shown in the thousands of 5-star reviews. We wanted to design Instant Pot accessories that would make your cooking experience easier and efficient. We designed multiple size vegetable steamer basket to fit your custom need, whether you have an Instant Pot DU060, DU080, Ultra, Instant Pot Mini, LUX60 V3, or the Power Pressure Cooker XL, we have the right size pressure cooker accessories for you to choose from. Make pressure cooking fun for your kids. We encourage you to try new recipes such as boiled eggs, chicken broth, vegetables, asparagus, meatloaf, etc., and have fun cooking with your family and kids. That's why we designed the steamer basket for Instant Pot with food-grade silicone handle. Unlike other brands, our handle is fully wrapped in silicone from one end to the other end to prevent any burns from lifting out the egg basket from hot pots. Tested and approved by busy working moms. We care about your investment. The Hatrigo vegetable steamer is the only basket on the market to have silicone-wrapped legs on the base of the basket. Unlike the trivet, this steamer pot will help prevent scratching your Instant Pot inner liner, so click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.